fighters, sports people in general, but today the accolade goes to another type of champion, the Sintra Koyala cheesecake pastry. It is claimed to have been created by Friar Joao de Annunziao at the Benjalonga convent in the long gone 20th century. Friar Joao used the fact that cattle abundant in the region to use the great cheese that was left over. And how fortunate, not only did he avoid waste. At the time, sugar and cinnamon hadn't yet made its way to Europe, but over the centuries, Francisco das Neves, Maria Sapa, or Constancia Gomes, known as Periquita, turned the original recipe into the sweet treat we know today. It earned the gold medal at the regional exhibition fair and square and reminds us that in the past it was so precious that peasants used it to pay